Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan. Thank you so much for being here. I'm still in my PJs. It's Monday morning. I made overnight oats last night, and then I just put like granola and fruit on top, peanut butter. It's really delicious. And then if you guys have been watching, you know matcha lemonade is my Jimmy Jam. Love it. All the things that I use are always linked in the description for you guys in case you ever want to try matcha or I don't know, you need some new matcha stuff. But I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a overview of my week and just check in basically Monday morning. Check in with the friends. So I have a lot of editing to do because my computer had a little oopsie of, I don't know, it's been lagging and saying the storage is full, but like everything is on a hard drive that I have. So I had to like factory reset my laptop, which then I had to re-download everything and I lost the videos I did edit, which hopefully by the time that this is out, they're already out, but it was like the trip to the zoo with my sister and my nieces and stuff like that. So anyways, I have a lot of editing to do this week, but in a good way. And then I have some yoga flows for June that I'm really excited and looking forward to filming. So always be on the lookout for those. I always link the newest yoga flows in my description for you guys, and I also have a yoga playlist with all the yoga classes that I've created. Those are always there for you guys to check out. So I'm excited about some of the content that I'm going to have for June. So I'm going to be filming some of that this week, and then I'm also teaching a yoga event Wednesday night at 6:30 p.m. So that'll be really nice. And then I just have some errands to do, grocery shop for the week. I went through my closet and want to donate some things. We do have a Depop shop, which is also linked in the description, but some stuff isn't things I would necessarily want to sell, and I'd rather just like donate and stuff like that. And next week, is my last week here. On Monday, we're going to a concert, but then we leave, my family and I leave for Florida next Wednesday. I don't know when this vlog will go up. So yeah, we're going to Florida, and unfortunately Brie won't be able to make it because Brie has been really busy with work, and unfortunately it just didn't work out for both of us to go this year, but we went together last year. I'll link that Florida vlog in the description. It was super fun. Brie had never been to Florida before, and it was really fun. Family vacation. We took like family pictures. Brie and I got some pictures. So it's a really cute vlog. I'll put it in the description for you guys. But yeah, I have to return some library books. And yeah, I guess we'll see where the week takes us. I'll be doing some prepping videos for the trip. I don't have one single bathing suit, so I will need to pick up a bathing suit. And I'll do a pack with me for that. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and coming along my life, and I guess we'll see where this week takes us. head into a second grocery store since I only get some things from Trader Joe's, not everything, but wanted to show you guys how beautiful this little baby orchid is. It's purple, beautiful. I'm gonna surprise Bree with it because today is a special day for Bree and Bree's family, so I wanted to get something sweet for Bree. But I'm actually gonna go into the second store and get the rest of the groceries. I'm getting really hungry, so I'll probably go home and eat a snack. Grocery haul. Kale, cilantro, green onions, carrots, cabbage. We needed more face lotion, and it's actually on sale, which is great. And then body wash. I've never tried this one, so hopefully it's good. Tomatoes, sweet potatoes, corn on the cob, romaine, strawberries, blueberries, bananas, a rotisserie chicken, salmon, wild sockeye salmon, broccoli, and a bell pepper, and a little jalapeno in there. And then limes, avocados, Hawaiian rolls, cheese, barbecue sauce, black beans. This is the lemonade I love to use for my matcha. I also like the one from Costco, but I don't want to go all the way to Costco just for lemonade, so that, olive oil, tortillas, these Asian noodles, and some onions. Mention this, but these Baggu reusable bags are my favorite. They also have really cute handbags, and I always have it linked in the description. Yeah, so you can shop in fashion. What are you doing? You're being a big creep? Huh? You're so cute. I wanted to show you guys the orchid in the room. An update on this plant. It is growing big and strong. Can't believe it. We're gonna eventually tack it up onto the wall. It'll look really nice. Hi guys, probably look crazy from this angle, but that's okay. I am showered up for the night, and I wanted to just chat. Bree's downstairs making cold brew, and we just had leftovers for dinner because I was editing for a long time this afternoon after my errands and finally got my video up. But yeah, we just had leftovers. I had made pizza rolls over the weekend, so we had a few of those for dinner, and like I said, I got showered up and now we. So lately for bed, I've been taking I take a multivitamin. These are from Rainbow Light. They're from a natural grocer. Hope and fingers crossed that they're good, you know. But I always take a multivitamin, and then I have been taking magnesium for quite a while. I used to take the Calm brand actually, but then I had heard articles that there was heavy metals in the product, so obviously scratch that. And then I didn't take magnesium for a little while, and the reason I take magnesium is because I get really bad muscle twitches. Like my eye will twitch, like will go like all the way down all day long, and or like I'll have really bad leg muscle cramp, or like my arm, my back, like a complete spasm, and it hurts so bad. It's most annoying in my eye because it like affects what I'm obviously seeing, which affects my daily life. So I always find that when I take magnesium, it really helps me, and it also helps for sleep and relaxation. So this actually just goes right into water. And this is by Trace Minerals. And I've liked it so far. I've been taking it for just a couple weeks now, so I don't have a full review. I try to like take a supplement for at least like 1 to 2 months minimum, because I feel like that you need to be able to like have a good amount of time to see the results. So should I have put this second light on? But then it's like hecka bright. Anyway, this is my supplement routine if you cared. But yeah, it does not taste good. I will say that. When I took the Calm brand, it was flavored like raspberry or something, and it just tasted really tart, and it would make your drink really fizzy, almost like an Alka-Seltzer would, but this does not taste good. And when I was at the store and like reading reviews on brands and things like that, people did say that it didn't taste good, but I was like, oh, I could muscle through it, you know. But it's not that bad. I only end up putting like a little bit of water and take it with this, and I just don't think about it, don't inhale, and just take it back. But anyways, I've heard magnesium is really great too if you have bad anxiety. But I do take another supplement I do take, since I am talking about supplements, is I take mushroom supplements in my matcha powder. So I always link the packets by Host Defense, which they have mushrooms in them, like lion's mane and things like that, in the matcha powder. But the one that I've been using, you guys see it has like it's in a little can, and it's bigger, it's a looser powder, and then that doesn't have mushrooms in it. I got that from the natural grocer also, but I bought a greens powder that has a couple greens in it, and then it has mushrooms in it as well, so like cordyceps, reishi, lion's mane, maitake, all of that. And then it has like wheatgrass, a couple other greens in there, and I put it with the matcha powder. You guys see me, like I'll make it tomorrow, but I put it with the matcha, and then when I boil the water and just whisk it all together and put the lemonade, you cannot taste it. But if it's on its own, it definitely tastes really earthy. But mushrooms are extremely beneficial to so much, like your whole entire body function. I take them for like cognitive function, overall health. They're really good at rebuilding and restoring cell functions. If you think about it, like fungus grow out of the ground because they take the decay, and basically the fungus grows from that and creates life in something nutritious and dense. And that's like how it works in your body and in your system, is it restores your cells and all their functions and things like that. So it's really great. So those are the supplements I take: the mushrooms, greens, magnesium, and I always take a multivitamin, just because you never know what kind of food nutrition day you're having. Like sometimes I don't eat as balanced as I would like, and that's just the reality of life. I mean, you're not always going to have like every micronutrient you need, B12, A, D, E, K, like everything. And so I always just make sure I take a multivitamin. I've been doing that for years, and yeah, I'll link these things for you guys in the description if you are interested in any of the products that I use. But yeah, I'm about to start reading. If you guys didn't see my book recap for May, I picked up Things We Never Hide from the Light. I finished the first book, which is down here, but I just recently started it, so I'm only a couple pages in, but I'm excited to read this. But I did want to share with you guys, which I meant to say earlier but forgot, is that if you don't follow me on TikTok, you really should, because I've been putting a lot of effort into TikTok. I've been filming daily videos. I've been just working really hard at posting at TikTok every day. And so if you're interested in following me on TikTok, it's just _@Megan_Jones, same as my Instagram. It's all linked down below. But yeah, I've been having so much fun filming TikTok. So if you want to keep up with me more frequently, definitely find me on TikTok and Instagram. But I love YouTube. YouTube is my shizzy, and it's just the place where I feel like we can have this. You know, we're pals, we can chat, we can vibe, and I've shared so many memories with YouTube, so it's my number one. But, you know, we have love for others here, you know? So I'm going to read, and if you guys have any book recommendations, leave them in the comments. I'm always looking for new books. Maybe you'll see a book you recommend me in the month of July. You never know. But I'll see you all tomorrow. Alright, how do you do, you guys? I haven't chatted to you, but I've honestly been working on my computer all day long, and yeah, here I am. So we're gonna make quesadillas for dinner tonight, and everything is already prepped and mise en placed, so I'm really excited. We're using black beans, we have sweet potatoes, we have broccoli and onions and kale, and this is bell pepper and jalapeno. And then Brie made homemade salsa, and I'm so excited for this. We made cheese and tortillas. I'm just gonna saute down the veggies so that they are tender for the quesadillas. Finished product. Looks pretty good.
Slow a little down is what you said. I'ma get it all up in my head. White t-shirt, blue jeans. I can never get enough of you. Bright sneakers on.
Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday. As you saw, I made my matcha and we've been loving the chocolate chia seed pudding. We just use chocolate milk and cacao instead of using just like regular milk, which gives it just more fun flavor. But yeah, I showed you guys my little outfit of the day. I've been really enjoying dressing up for my days since, you know, sometimes working from home and things like that, you can just get like in a routine, and I try to dress myself so I can get an energy, put my makeup on, and yeah, I've been showing my outfits of the week and outfits of the day over on TikTok, so if you're curious about some of the outfits I wear, go follow me on TikTok. But yeah, today I'm just gonna work on my computer some, and then I'm teaching a yoga event tonight at 6:30. I'm gonna go a little early to see my nieces and hang out with my sister for a little bit, but just wanted to pop in and say hello.
Starting to kind of get them excited about it.
Who's here? What's up? But we wanted to say hello and bring us hello to We made the leftover quesadillas for lunchy. There they are. I loved the sauce. Yeah, they did turn out really good.
I wish that we had more, but we ate them up yesterday.
I know, I wish we had more for lunch. Whenever we make dinner, I'll like make extra, and I call it accidental meal prepping.
It's actually so nice.
Because then it's like you just have lunch for the next day. So.
Exactly.
Anyways, we're gonna eat these. Alright, you guys, we're off to the yoga event. Hi guys, what's today? Thursday. I didn't end the vlog off yesterday, but I hung out at my sister's house and saw the girls and then taught the event. It was really nice. It went really well. I always love teaching in person. I love to teach online, obviously putting up my yoga flows, but there's nothing like real human connection. It just does something for me. The energy just feels so good. And then I got home and we had the barbecue chicken sliders, which were chef's kiss, so good. And let's see if I can just set this down so I don't have to hold it as I chat. But it's so gloomy and gray out today. I think because of like all the forest fires or forest fires that are happening in Canada. It's been like so hazy here. Like you can tell it's like very very gray and dim, but yeah, we had the chicken sliders last night and then just relaxed and went to bed. Today I had an appointment and then I've just been working on my computer, working on a course, and it's a pretty low-key day. I'm wearing a really cute outfit. This blazer I thrifted a while ago and I love the color of it. It's like a sage green, and I kept the shoulder pads in it because I feel like it gives it a little bit of structure. It's not too intense of a shoulder pad. This is a bodysuit that my sister gave me. I don't know where it's from. And I'm just wearing these Levi denim pants I thrifted, and they're just cut at the bottom. I really like this outfit. I am obsessed with blazers. I feel like they're just chic and you can dress them up or dress them down. I've worn blazers with like sweaters, t-shirts, and I just feel like it's just a vibe. Classy and effortless. But yeah, I've just been working and we don't really have many plans today. It's been a chill week.
In the cold kitchen light, we both look for a sign, and you say, these are troubles of mine. Weary thoughts of breaking up, coming under your skin. Don't know if we should stop or begin. 'Cause I was there by your side, with my eyes open wide, and I know that will always be true.
Good morning, happy Friday. We got a special delivery
Thanks, Reed.
from our friend out in Cali, Reed.
Oh,
Ooh,
sick.
some of their art. We'll put their art Instagram, whatever I find on the Instagram, I'll put in the description for you guys. I'll put it right on the screen.
That's sick.
Oh, I love it.
And I
Ooh, some stickers
got
too.
some stickers.
That's so
Oh. Thanks, Reed.
cool.
That's sick. I'm
You
gonna
can put it on the wall.
That's what I was just gonna.
Oh my god, that's
Oh,
perfect.
wait, yeah.
Oh, sick.
They
Oh my
They
god.
gave us 2 of each.
Wait, here, I'll show you guys.
Wow, these are nice stickers. With the
Oh, I love these.
damn, what?
Oh my god, these are so cool.
Go the off, Reed.
Oh, this is so cool. That's so cool.
Yeah,
You can put it
that's
in your
cool.
office. Yeah.
Nice.
Thanks, Ree.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. Love the talent.
Love it.
We try hard, but we also go so reckless, so reckless, so reckless, so reckless. I was there by your side, with my eyes open wide, and I know that will always be true. There were no reasons why, I guess all beauty must die. We try hard but we also were home, so reckless. There were no reasons why, I guess all beauty must die. We try hard but we also were home, so reckless.
I'm back from my little nature outing, having a little tiny cup of coffee as a Friday treat. I ran to the store after I spent time outside and got stuff to make bagel sandwiches, as you guys saw. And now I'm up in my office, and I just want to say I'm obsessed with these stickers again, but I'm going to, on my hard drive here, I use this hard drive it has a little case with it, and this cord just plugs in and plugs into the computer, and this is how I keep things for my YouTube channel, or just like documents in general, so that I have enough space on my laptop. I eventually would love to invest in a nice Mac desktop and Mac laptop for Brie and I, but as of now, my HP is good. Since I had to factory reset it over the weekend, I just have to keep everything very limited, and I keep everything, like I said, on the hard drive. And I've put some of these stickers I got from North Carolina, some artists that made these. I put these on here if you guys saw that vlog by Monday Designs. I'll also put her little handle here and in the description. But yeah, I wanted to put some of Rhee's art on the little hard drive. The bigger pieces here, I'm gonna find something that I want to put these onto that, you know, can sustain time, because I think that's what I love about stickers. Like, I did my hydro flask up so cool with all these stickers I had collected, and when I left it in the Los Angeles airport, I was so bummed because I felt like the aesthetic of my water bottle was just perfection. And so now I'm sad because I don't like have those stickers anymore, but I want to put these on something that's I'm going to see all the time and it'll be timeless. So I'm just going to hang on to these ones for now and add them with my other ones from North Carolina. And I just keep these here in my office. But I had the best time being out in nature. I was listening to music and I was so amped up. I was singing out loud and I didn't even care if people were on the trail listening to me singing out loud. I just get so high energy from being out in nature. It's like I just feel free as a bird, and I just feel like I'm the best singer in the world and I'm just performing for nature. So it was really nice. I'm enjoying that book I'm reading so far also, Things We Hide from the Light by Lucy Score. It has kind of, I'm not going to give too much away because I do the book recaps, you guys know, but the love trope, what they call it in the book world, the love trope is very similar to the first book, but the carryover of the criminal drama is continuing. But yeah, so we shall see how it pans out, but so far I'm really enjoying it. Here it is. I love it. Look how cute my little cutie is. It's always so backlit from the sun, but
Yeah.
doing your business and doing your music.
And cash at the bottom.
I think Bree's gonna put it up here. We're gonna, when we go out this weekend to get some things for my trip, we're gonna find a frame, put it up there. I think it looks really cool up there. I love the blue. That's your favorite color too.
I know. It's like the blue looks cool with the yellow.
I know. You have it's really good
I know.
vibes in here from all the artists. From one artist to another.
That's right.
You're so f***ing cute.
You're cute.
I love you.
I love you.
Tell them happy Friday.
Happy Friday, y'all.
You're so cute. Happy Friday, y'all.
Hey, loose, bruh.
You're so cute.
I love you.
I love you. Change of plans is we're in Bree's office because Bree's gonna make some music and I'm gonna put up the air mattress so that I can sit in here and read. But eventually we do want to get a couch to go right there, Jubei. A couch to go right here so that I can kick it in here while Bree does music. Ooh, so cozy in here.
Do you love it or do you love it?
Love it.